What is up, you guys? It's your girl Delilah coming back at it with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a hair review from Aberonna Jenkins. I could leave her information down below in the description. So I have the 14, 16, 18 inch with the closure, with a 12 inch closure, and the closure is a 4x4. I also, oops, yeah, I'm so fast I didn't open the bag already. This probably not how the bag came. She probably had the hair different, but it comes in this purple lavender bag with a bow, and it got some lashes, some Huda Beauty lashes. Ooh, I can't wait to try that on, and the hair. So let's get into it. All that I got, pieces and paper. So it come with these lashes. She already, ooh, look at me. Hey girl. But she already told me they was gonna be extra long. So this is how they look. Ooh. So yeah. So this is the closure. It out to show y'all. And I will be making a wig with this hair. I don't know when I'm gonna do it, probably sometime this weekend. So this is the lace area. This is how it looks. And this is the front area. And they do have baby hairs. And it's pluck. But it looked like I might do a little bit more plucking. But yeah, it's not bad. See? Got body. And this is long for a 12 inch. If it's, I think, yeah, it's a 12 inch. It's long for a 12 inch. I don't know if I want to dye it some color or something, because I'm not really a dark person, as you can tell. So now I got the 3 bundles. I have the 18 inch, the 18 right there, the 16 inch, 16 right there, and the 14 inch. So I will be opening up the 18 inch to show you guys. I don't really care for long hair like that. I don't know, but I'm trying. I done dropped my bag. So this is the 18 inch right here. It's nice and soft. Kind of don't really have a smell like that. I gotta smell hard, but yeah, this is the weft. And this is the, say, human version here. Is the weft. Body wave. Shiny. The ends is not rough. But yeah. And this, let me see. May looks like 18 inch for the body wave. We'll stop right here, and if it's straight, probably stop right here. So this is pretty long for 18 inch. Yeah. We'll see. Yeah. Pretty long. Don't go all the way down there, but I can't wait to install. So I will also leave all her description down below. Her line name is the Glamoroushair Collection. But I just can't stop moving it. Like, I want to open the other ones and show y'all how they look next to each other. But it's the same hair, so it's pointless. I just want to adjust see for yourself. The same hair. And it do look like it's a natural color. So yeah, just want to show. No shedding. Don't got no shedding yet. And I do want to show y'all one more time. Yeah. I will leave all Aberonna Jenkins information down below. And then the next video will be a review on the hair when I make the wig. I might do a tutorial on how to make the lace closure wig with this hair, and then after that I'm gonna do a review on how the hair holds up after like a week or two. And be prepared for the next video, you guys. I know this is a quick video, and I know I ain't do a little dance or whatever, but it's late at night and I'm just trying to do a review right now before I decide to make the wig and what I'm going to do. So I will leave all her information down below. She's got good quality hair. It's not that expensive. And I got a free goodie, lashes. But yeah. So like, comment, wait. Like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification at the top right, I believe. Yeah, that. Bye bye.